The 2026 Ford Street Rod is set to bring back a legendary nameplate with a modern twist. Ford is reviving the classic street rod with a combination of retro design cues and cutting-edge performance. This new model aims to capture the spirit of the past while embracing the future with advanced engineering and technology. The street rod is expected to be a high-performance, custom-inspired vehicle that blends classic hot rod aesthetics with modern muscle car power, making it a standout addition to Ford's lineup. Under the hood, the 2026 Ford Street Rod is rumored to feature a powerful V8 engine, possibly a supercharged 5.0-liter Coyote or even the 5.2-liter Predator engine found in the Shelby GT500, with an expected output of over 700 horsepower. With an expected output of over 700 horsepower, this beast will deliver blistering acceleration and an aggressive exhaust note. Ford may also introduce a hybrid-assisted version to enhance performance while meeting stringent emission regulations. An advanced 10-speed automatic transmission is likely to be standard, while a manual option could be offered to appeal to driving purists. The design of the 2026 Ford Street Rod will pay homage to classic hot rods of the past while incorporating modern aerodynamics and technology. Expect a low-slung, wide-body stance with a chiseled front grille, prominent fenders, and an aggressive hood scoop. LED lighting will add a futuristic touch, while custom-style wheels and flared wheel arches will give it a street racer look. Ford might even offer a range of factory customization options, allowing buyers to personalize their street rod with unique paint schemes, stripes, and retro badges. Inside, the cabin will feature a mix of vintage inspiration and contemporary luxury. Premium leather seats with contrast stitching, a digital instrument cluster, and a high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system with Ford's latest sync technology will be standard. The street rod's cockpit will be driver-focused with a flatbot and sport bucket seats designed for performance driving. Advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and blind spot monitoring, will likely come standard to enhance the driving experience. Performance tuning will be a major highlight of the 2026 Ford Street Rod. Ford Performance is expected to fine-tune the chassis and suspension for optimal handling, making it a capable machine both on the streets and the track. A specially tuned Magni-Ride suspension system could be available, providing adjustable ride settings for different driving conditions. Brembo brakes, performance tires, and a lightweight body structure will ensure maximum control and stopping power at high speeds. Technology will also play a key role in the street rod's appeal. Ford could integrate an advanced launch control system, performance data logging, and a customizable drive mode selector to give drivers full control over the car's behavior. A performance exhaust with selectable sound profiles might be available, allowing drivers to switch between a quiet mode for city driving and a loud, aggressive tone for open roads. Connectivity features such as wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system will add to the overall experience. Ford is likely to position the 2026 Street Rod as a limited production model, making it a highly desirable collector's car. With only a select number of units expected to be built, enthusiasts will need to act fast to secure one. Pricing is anticipated to start around $70,000, and, with higher performance trims and custom options, pushing the cost beyond $90,000, and this strategy aligns with Ford's approach to building exclusive performance vehicles that cater to a passionate fan base. The return of the Ford Street Rod signals a new era for muscle cars, blending classic styling with modern engineering. It promises to be a thrilling addition to Ford's performance lineup, capturing the hearts of enthusiasts who appreciate raw power and bold design. As Ford continues to embrace electrification, this might be one of the last V8-powered muscle cars before a fully electric future takes over. The 2026 Street Rod is not just a car, it's a statement, one that celebrates the golden age of hot rods while pushing the boundaries of modern performance.